Hi, this is Dave with Iron Age Amps, and we do another little tone demo here. So this is conversation volume for the Gunslinger Mark III, we'll call it. I was supposed to say, ignore the buzzing, it's the bad grounding of our apartment building. Just want to get that out of the way too. Very quiet. Now I'm going through a 1x12 Baltic birch pine cabinet with a Celestian cream back, and I just feel like it has this great open mid-range, just exactly what you hear in your head when you think of tones from the 80s. Super dynamic when it comes to pick attack, how heavy your palm mute is. I just want it to be percussive and vintage plus as opposed to super high gain, over the top, wall of sound distortion. I want it to sound more like a boosted vintage Marshall, and this is as close as I've gotten out of all the different iterations. So excuse my diatribe here, I'm just going to keep playing a little bit.